Deadliest police drug cocktail takedown. Law enforcement organizations have faced many difficult and dangerous scenarios in the ongoing war on drugs. An example of one such incident that is notable for its severity and peril is the disruption of an extremely powerful and deadly drug combination operation. Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the dark and dangerous world of law enforcement. In today's video, we will be discussing the deadliest police drug cocktail takedown, a harrowing incident that showcases the brave and risky work that police officers undertake to keep our communities safe. Number 5. The emergence of synthetic drug cocktails. Because of their easily made and dispersed nature, as well as their unpredictable effects, synthetic pharmaceuticals have become a major worry for law enforcement. These substances frequently mix different chemical components to create strong, hazardous concoctions that can be significantly more lethal than conventional opioids. A specific combination of synthetic drugs, known by street names like death mix or zombie dust, has become a serious hazard in recent years. Usually, fentanyl, carfentanil, and other synthetic cannabinoids are combined in this concoction. When combined, these ingredients provide a chemical that even in tiny doses can result in an instant and deadly overdose. Each of these ingredients is harmful on its own. Number 4. The investigation begins. An inquiry into the lethal combination of drugs started when multiple overdoses were reported in a large city. The number of calls for emergency responders skyrocketed, and hospitals were overflowing with patients experiencing acute respiratory distress and cardiac arrest. Law enforcement acted quickly after toxicology findings showed that the victims' systems contained the lethal mixture. The DEA, local police departments, and other federal agencies were part of the task team that was assigned to the case. Their first priority was to locate the drug's source, which brought them to a network of covert laboratories running in deserted warehouses and isolated rural locations. Number 3. Planning the takedown. The task team was aware that any attempt to penetrate and take down the operation would need careful preparation and cooperation due to the deadly nature of the narcotics involved. Because of the tremendous risk to both cops and citizens, specialized units such as SWAT teams and hazardous materials, hazmat, squads had to be used. A crucial aspect of the operation was surveillance. Undercover agents and informants mapped out the logistics of the operation and identified key individuals throughout weeks of gathering intelligence on the drug labs. They found that booby traps and armed guards guarded the labs, adding even more danger to an already dangerous assignment. Number 2. The takedown. The simultaneous execution of the takedown operation at several locations was designed to keep suspects from escaping or destroying evidence. On the day of the operation, SWAT teams assembled at the target locations with the assistance of hazmat units and protective gear. The squad ran into instant opposition at one of the main destinations, an abandoned warehouse outside the city. A tight and hazardous shootout ensued as armed guards started shooting. The SWAT squad managed to secure the building and neutralize the threat in spite of the resistance. Within, they discovered an advanced pharmaceutical laboratory housing copious amounts of the lethal concoction in several states of preparation. The hazmat team started decontaminating the area right away to avoid any unintentional exposure to the hazardous materials. Enough narcotics were seized during this operation alone to possibly result in thousands of overdoses. Meanwhile, another team had similar difficulties at a remote location. The outlying lab was well defended, and the suspects tried to burn down the building to get rid of the evidence. Officers on the scene used quick thinking and action to stop the fire from spreading, secure the area, and take the lives of many important suspects. Number 1. Aftermath and impact. Law enforcement gained a tremendous win when the deadly drug cocktail operation was brought to an end, but it wasn't without a price. During the raids, multiple officers sustained injuries, and there was a significant psychological impact on all those engaged. The operation also brought attention to how the drug trade is changing and how synthetic drugs provide unanticipated and novel obstacles. Following the seizure, the medications were thoroughly examined, yielding important information about the ingredients and manufacturing processes of the cocktail. The development of fresh tactics for identifying and thwarting such attacks in the future has relied heavily on this information. A powerful message was also conveyed to other criminal groups engaged in the manufacture and sale of synthetic narcotics by the successful takedown. Taking note, law enforcement organizations across implemented improved protocols and training to better prepare police to deal with these deadly narcotics. In conclusion, the deadliest police drug cocktail takedown was a testament to the bravery and resilience of our law enforcement officers. Their quick thinking and decisive actions saved countless lives and brought a dangerous criminal to justice. We salute their courage and dedication and thank them for their service to our communities. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more thrilling stories from the world of law enforcement. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.